one of the mightiest foes Goku and Vegeta ever fought. As well as for many Super's best antagonist, it's no surprise that Fused Zamasu is among the best characters in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. But in true Budokai Tenkaichi style, his status as a late-game character will mean only one thing: you will have to put in the work to unlock him. Here are all the ways in which you can unlock Fused Zamasu in Dragon Ball. Sparking Zero. Similarly to Goku Black, you can unlock Fused Zamasu in Sparking Zero by either purchasing him from the game's shop for 120,000 Zeni, only after reaching player level 20, or by summoning Super Shenron, heading to I Want More Characters, and then selecting him. For those looking to prioritize Goku Black when making their wish, it's important to point out that not having Fused Zamasu as an unlocked character won't stop you from performing his fusion. Unlike your player level, which will be raised after each battle, those who purchase the game's standard and collector's editions will be able to unlock Super Shenron in Sparking Zero by completing the main path of Goku's storyline, or episode battle. Those who purchase the game's Ultimate Edition, on the other hand, will be able to perform one summon from the get-go. You will also get free summons by completing both the Future Trunks and Jiren episode battles. Can you unlock the Gohan Black variant of Fused Zamasu? It is currently impossible to unlock the Gohan Black variant of Fused Zamasu in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, although the only difference between the two seems to be in the character's voice and hairstyle.